Hello and welcome to this video on how to get started with a Salesforce data migration. If you're planning to migrate data to Salesforce, it's important to have a clear plan in place to ensure a smooth and successful migration. In this video, we'll go over a checklist of steps you can follow to get started with your Salesforce data migration. First, determine your migration goals. The first step in any data migration is to determine your goals and objectives. What data do you want to migrate? Why do you want to migrate it? Answering these questions will help you prioritize your migration efforts and ensure that you're focusing on the right data. Second, gather your data. Once you know what data you want to migrate, it's time to gather it. This can include data from databases, spreadsheets, or other systems. Make sure you have a complete and accurate set of data, as incomplete or incorrect data can cause problems during the migration process. Third, clean and normalize your data. Before you can migrate your data, it's important to clean and normalize it. This means removing any duplicates, correcting errors, and standardizing the format of your data. This will help ensure that your data is consistent and easy to work with in Salesforce. Fourth, set up your Salesforce environment. Before you can begin the actual data migration, you'll need to set up your Salesforce environment. This includes creating any custom objects or fields you need, setting up access permissions, and configuring any integrations or automation rules. Fifth, map your data. Before you can migrate your data, you'll need to map it to the appropriate fields in Salesforce. This will help ensure that your data is correctly imported into Salesforce and that it's easy to use and manage once it's there. Sixth, test your migration. Before you migrate your data for real, it's a good idea to test the process. This will help you identify any potential issues or problems and allow you to fix them before the real migration takes place. Seventh, migrate your data. Once you've tested your migration process and are confident that everything is ready, it's time to migrate your data. This can be a complex process, so it's important to be patient and follow the steps carefully. Eighth, validate and verify your data. After the migration is complete, it's important to validate and verify your data to ensure that it was migrated correctly. This may involve comparing the migrated data to the original data, or running tests to ensure that the data is accurate and complete. Ninth, monitor and maintain your data. Once your data is migrated, it's important to monitor and maintain it to ensure that it remains accurate and up to date. This may involve regularly updating or refreshing your data, or setting up processes to monitor for changes or errors. So, there you have it. A checklist of steps to follow when migrating data to Salesforce. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and successful data migration and get the most value out of your Salesforce system. Connect with Cynoteck if you need any help in Salesforce data migration. Thanks for watching.